All right, here we have an ABS relay, dual relay off of Porsche. It came into our shop because it wasn't functioning. And when we opened it up, it had one of its coils was burned out and the wires had multiple breaks in it. So we took a similar relay, took one of the relays out of it and put it into this guy. And now we are testing it and to prove that it works. I think. Here we have it hooked up to a 9 amp load on these two light bulbs here going through our power supply. And if there you go. You can hear it clicking and you can see the light bulbs going on. Now that's only going through one of the two relays. If I change this wire to here and do it again, it'll activate the other relay and the lights still go on. And as you can see, that's about 8 amps. So it's working. There you go.